Hi, Miss. I'm Immigration Officer Emily, and I'll be conducting your interview today. How are you doing?
Hello, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. How about yourself?
I'm doing well, too. Thank you. Please come in and remain standing. You can place your belongings next to the chair.
Thank you.
Before we start the interview, I'm going to place you under oath. Could you please raise your right hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Please take a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Do you have any questions before we start the interview?
No.
Can I please have your appointment notice, your green card, and state-issued ID, such as a driver's license and your passport?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Why do you want to be an American citizen?
I would like to apply for government jobs, register to vote, and travel without the restrictions.
Great. When did you become a lawful permanent resident?
October 10th, 2018.
Great. How did you get your green card?
By diversity visa program.
Great. Now, let's start the civics test. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm a little bit nervous.
Have you studied?
Yes, I studied since I've applied.
All right. I'll ask up to 10 questions, and you pass if you can give 6 correct answers. And you can just provide one answer. First question. Why did the colonists fight the British?
Because they didn't have self-government.
That's correct. Who makes federal laws?
Congress.
Great. What is the name of the national anthem?
The Star-Spangled Banner.
Good. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence?
Freedom of speech. Freedom of religion.
Okay, that's not correct. Let's try another question. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful?
Checks and balances.
Correct. What is one thing Benjamin Franklin is famous for?
U.S. diplomat.
That's right. When must all men register for the Selective Service?
Between 18 and 26.
That's correct. What does the President's Cabinet do?
Advises the president.
Who is one of your state's U.S. Senators now?
John Cornyn.
Right. What is the political party of the president now?
Democratic Party.
Well, you got more than 6 questions correct, so you passed the civics test portion. I think you did well with the history and government test.
Thank you.
Now, we're going to do the English, reading, and writing tests. I'm going to show you a sentence on the tablet, and I want you to read it back to me.
What city was the first capital of the United States?
Great. Now, listen carefully to this sentence that I'll say and write it down on the digital tablet in front of you using the stylus pen. New York City was the first capital of the United States.
Can you repeat it one more time for me, please? Thank you, officer.
New York City was the first capital of the United States. All right, now let's review your applicant form, just to make sure all the information you filled in is correct. What is your current legal name?
Emma Benjamin Johnson.
Have you used any other name since birth?
No, I have not.
Would you like to legally change your name?
I do not want to change my name.
What is your date of birth?
November 21st, 1998.
Could you confirm your Social Security number?
209-720450.
What is the best phone number to reach you at?
368-898-2913.
What is your country of birth?
France.
What is your country of citizenship or nationality?
France.
Are one or both of your parents a U.S. citizen?
No.
What is your current mailing address?
7936 Ferry Street, apartment 1013, Fairton, New Jersey, 08320.
So, we will use that mailing address to contact you throughout the naturalization process.
Yes.
Have you moved in the past 3 months?
No.
And how long have you been living there?
I've been living there since 2021.
What is your previous address?
376 South White Avenue, Newark, New Jersey, 07191.
When did you move from this previous address?
On the first week of June 2021.
Well, what do you do for a living?
I work as a home health and personal care aide.
How long have you been working there?
Since August 2019.
All right. Have you taken a trip outside the United States in the last 5 years?
Yes, I have gone on a few trips.
Where and when was the last trip?
Traveled to Canada in October 2022. We just spent 1 week there.
What was the purpose of your last trip?
Celebrated my birthday with my husband.
I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you. Yes, we did enjoy it a lot.
Have any of your trips outside the United States been longer than 6 months?
No.
Great. What is your current marital status?
Married.
What date did you marry your current spouse?
March 10th, 2020.
Where did you get married?
Fairton, New Jersey.
Could I see your original marriage certificate, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. What is your current spouse's legal name?
Leo Anderson.
What is your current spouse's date of birth?
February 20th, 1992.
What is your current spouse's current address?
My spouse's current address is the same as my current address.
Is your current spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes, he is a US citizen. He was born in America.
Have you been married previously?
Yes.
Where did you get married?
Lyon, France.
How did that other marriage end?
Divorce.
Well, do you have your divorce decree with you?
Yeah, I do have it.
Can I see it?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have a daughter with my current spouse.
Great. She was born in the United States, correct?
Correct.
Can I have her birth certificate?
Sure. Here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any children with your ex-husband?
No.
All right. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, never.
Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local elections in the United States?
No, never.
Have you ever voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No, I haven't.
Do you now have, or did you ever have, a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country?
No, I don't.
Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes?
No, I don't.
Have you ever called yourself a non-U.S. resident on a federal, state, or local tax return since you became a lawful permanent resident?
No, never.
Have you ever been declared legally incompetent or been confined to a mental institution?
No, never.
Have you ever been a member of, or in any way, associated either directly or indirectly with the Communist Party?
No, never.
Have you ever been a member of, or in any way associated, either directly or indirectly, with any other totalitarian party?
No, never.
Have you ever been a member of, or in any way associated, either directly or indirectly, with a terrorist organization?
No, never.
Were you ever involved in any way with genocide?
No, never.
Were you ever involved in any way with badly hurting or trying to hurt a person on purpose?
No, never.
Were you ever involved in any way with forcing or trying to force someone to have any kind of sexual contact or relations?
No, never.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I do.
Do you know what oath of allegiance to the United States means?
A promise to be loyal to the United States.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I'm willing to.
Are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I'm willing to.
Are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I'm willing to.
Excellent! Congratulations! You passed your naturalization interview.
Thank you, officer.
Now, please take a look at the application on the tablet and make sure everything is correct.
Yes, officer, everything is correct.
Then sign and date at the bottom. Great! Now I will submit your application for approval. Everything is right. I just need my supervisor to do a quality check and final approval.
Thank you, officer.
And here is a copy of your test result. Do you have any questions?
Yes, I do. Do you know when I will be able to take the oath ceremony?
Once the application is approved, we will probably send you a notice in about a week.
Thank you again, officer.
You are welcome. Congratulations again.